today's video we will fix a Frigidaire stove F90 error code, door lock error, reset and the troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. You can reset the stove. Turn off the stove, unplug it from the power outlet, wait for around 5 to 10 minutes and plug it back in and turn it on. Fix 2. You can check the door lock mechanism. Turn off and unplug the stove, open the oven door, check if the door lock latch is stuck or blocked, and then gently move the latch to see if it's moved freely. Fix 3. You can simply inspect the door lock motor. Unplug the stove for safety, remove the back panel of the stove, then locate the door lock monitor assemble. And check for loose or damaged wire and tighten any loose connection. And in the last fix, you can check wiring connection. Keep the stove unplugged, inspect the wire connecting to the control board, make sure no wires are loose or broken, and then reconnect any loose plugged carefully. Goodbye.